Are you hanging in there, pal?
Yeah.
What you doing? Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Armin Tom. As you might know, we've done a lot to our Unimog Funkwagen, the Unimog 404. And one of the things we've did are the brakes. Now there were a lot of problems with the brakes. We ended up buying new parts and the new parts weren't good, were leaking and all kinds of trouble. So, you know what? Just watch. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Whoa.
Well, we figured out why it was leaking. So the brake, you got the spring, it goes inside. Then you got a rubber. Then you got the brake cup. Then you got the, not sure what's called.
What you call it?
Yeah.
Thingamajig.
What we noticed when we took it apart was that there was the indentation of the spring was at a really weird place, and there was a little damage here. What we think happened when they installed the brake, they put in the spring like something like this accidentally and pushed in here in the rubber. So this was denting.
Yeah, it's damaged.
And when you going to put pressure oil, when you're gonna do the brake oil and put pressure on it, it will leak on this side. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next. Probably take the old axle apart and see if the old rubbers are still usable. If not, then we're gonna need to order new ones.
Yep. And then we have to wait. So I'll just hope that in the old axle there's some good rubbers, and then we can continue. So yeah, let's take apart some old axles. Now you can see that I'm actually working sometimes as well.
This is all only for the camera.
Sure.
Most of the time I'm doing the work.
just keep telling yourself that. Komt hij allebei?
Counting.
Yes. That should be it.
It should. I'm out now. Oh, I'm pushing that off. Thingy.
So.
It looks a bit rusty, but
Watch out for your pants.
I'm leaking all over the place. Freezing. Huh.
Let's take this one.
Your dad was right.
Yeah. So the other axle did not have those plates on the spring.
Which is strange.
Which is very strange.
Which makes me wonder how the other side is.
Yeah, I think this is an old system. Maybe you just call it.
Well, this is German axle. The other one is refurbished by Belgium, so maybe.
Yeah, maybe there's a difference in quality. I mean, Duitse Gründlichkeit or Belgische ik doe maar wat. It's proper Dutch and Deutsch. Dutch and Deutsch. Yeah.
Also a spare cup.
Yeah. Yeah.
It looks.
We need to.
You need to clean it.
We need to clean the ground there a bit because that's not. It's not very.
Yeah, get a bit of sand.
Yeah, I'm gonna get something to clean it up, and then we're gonna put this back in the other axle. Yay! Watch out.
Yeah, is it not?
No, it's not.
Springs can be really dangerous.
Yes. Someone's trying to call me. You'll just have to wait. There it is.
Is the back side also in?
That side's still in, this side is still in, so we're good to go. Yeah, they say it is a shame we put a hole in the tub, but
Yeah, they can go.
it's damn handy. I mean, we can actually reach stuff.
Important stuff. Like the bleed valve.
Yes. Oh, I got it. Hmm?
The rubber. Or it's. Oh, yeah. There we go. Come on. Come on. Don't be a bitch. What?
You gotta smell all the things.
Yes. Need those. Need this. Oh. We don't need this.
That doesn't smell very good.
No, it's some conversation. Not conversation.
Conservation.
Conservation oil or something. Zullen ze waarschijnlijk het grote boek van Sinterklaas moeten doen?
Moet je hem niet andersom draaien?
Nee, hij moet even los.
Oh.
Yes, effectief.
Dit is wel raar. Als je hem intrapt, loslaat en dan nog een keer trapt, dan heb je eerst een hele grote dode slag.
Ja, dat is logisch. Want er zit vloeistof, stroomt de vloeistof nog niet op, denk ik.
So yes, this is the inside of our old master brake cylinder. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of filth in here. This is all sand and dirt and grime. So that's why it wasn't working properly. And you can see this is the actual valve in here. This small nozzle. You can see if I push this in, the valve on the front opens. See, that's how it works. It pushes everything, all the fluids out the back. Actually pretty simple. Watch your hands.
Yeah. Watch your hands, watch your face. Wat jij dan net gedaan? Op zo,
Ja,
toch?
ja, zo. Gewoon er tussenin en naar onder toe en dan springt hij. Hey. Why doesn't it just floop out? Because that one just out.
Yeah, because that one had the cylinder against the ring, and this one is stuck for some reason.
That's the new one. That should not be stuck.
It doesn't work.
There it is. That should not be stuck. There's
The rubber that should be there is still in there.
Huh.
There we go. It doesn't look dirty or anything.
Well, but it's the back part that keeps sticking. So we figured out that this smaller rubber here got wedged in between somewhere. So the whole system was
Blocked. basically.
blocked internal.
This was stuck. And thank God it isn't damaged.
Yeah.
Well, clean everything off.
Put it back together. Als te veel onder nu zegt, dan haal ik toch de fluit eruit. Dus, Heb je hem?
Ja, iemand moet even dat stangetje goed.
Yes.
Kijk, en
Ligt dat
als...
nog hier?
Nee, ligt op het ding net, hè.
Oh.
And here we go again.
Brake line issues.
Yay! Why?
We are changing all the brake line hoses because even with the new axles and the new brake cylinder, we have some brake issues. That means that one of the brakes keeps sticking and our pedal just won't go back. It still feels spongy and strange. So we decided to change everything, and then everything in the brake system will be new. How many people does it take to put on a brake line? Should just go in.
Ja, het kan ik weet niet of de lijn...
Now, if you stop filming again for just 5 seconds, it will go in.
Yeah, okay. Let's try that again. See you in 5 seconds. So you were right. I stopped filming again for about a few seconds, or 4 minutes, whatever. And with a bit of wiggling and fiddling,
Hier ook nog vastmaken.
it just slides in.
Come on.
Even more awesome than the vacuum stuff.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, no, you just see a hand. Look how shiny.
Shiny and chrome.
Do the clickety.
Click.
Nope. That's the clickety.
See, we have a special
And it pushes the brake fluid into the system. Yep.
bubbly bubbly.
Bubbles be gone.
Bubbly bubbly. And we'll just repeat this 4, 5, 6 times. 8 times. Or something. Oh man, I'm getting old. Bent er onderdoor. She drives again, and most importantly, she brakes again. So we fixed the brakes, we fixed the axles, we fixed the engine. I guess she can say she's fixed. She is on the road and off the road. Quite well. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'm Truck Tom.